There are three steps involved for changing the root component of an application. First, create a new component using the ng-generate component command. Once you create the new component, locate the index.html file and replace the current root component selector with new component selector. After that, you locate the app.module.ts file and change the bootstrap property value to new component name. Let us see how to change the root component of an Angular application. We created a new Angular application using ng new space application name and started the application using npm start. We can now navigate in the Explorer window and find the index.html file. If I go to the index.html file at line number 11, I can see there is a AppRoot component. So this is the component which will get rendered when the Angular application starts. If I go to the app.component.ts, the selector I have given in line number 4 is AppRoot, which is using the template URL from app.component.html. I have to modify this template in order to change the appearance of the AppRoot component. Let us do that and see whether it reflects in the localhost 4200. I will remove all the line number starting from 1 to 499 and say hello in bold tag. In localhost 4200, I should get this hello printed in bold font. Let us go back to the Chrome and check the same. Now let me change this hello to hello world. So it is also reflecting. Now let us change the root component. I will stop the localhost 4200 server by saying Ctrl+C in the terminal window, and then I will generate a new component by saying ng space generate space component space my root component. Once I run this command, Angular CLI will install me the new component with name myRoot component. Once this component is created, we can check in the Explorer window how the component is created and structure of the component. The command is still executing. Now I can see an HTML file, a CSS file, spec.ts file and component.ts file has got created. Under the app folder, I can see my root component.html. Let me expand the Explorer window for better visibility. I can see my root component works as been specified in the HTML file. In the component.ts file, I can see the selector as app-myrootComponent and template URL as myrootComponent.component.html. In order to launch this component as a root component, I should visit the HTML file and use that selector in the index.html file. I will replace the AppRoot selector with app-myroot-component. In the app.module.ts, I can see the myroot component has got imported. At line number 19, in app.module.ts, there is a property called Bootstrap. This plays a key role. I will say Bootstrap as my root component. Once you make these changes, say npm start in the terminal window, and once you go to the localhost 4200, then refresh the browser, you can see my root component works.